Welcome back. Here's what's been happening in SEO and AI this afternoon. We've got some fascinating developments in how AI is revolutionizing coding with vibe coding, a breakthrough in how students are programming autonomous vehicles, and Google's latest move to enhance account security using facial recognition.
Vid sponsor ad. Index backlinks pages fast https www.ultimateindexing.com. Watch until end for discount.
Breaking this afternoon, undergraduate students have successfully programmed miniature vehicles to navigate complex intersections and evade moving obstacles, all by articulating their desired actions in everyday language. They then leveraged generative AI to produce the necessary code for these autonomous driving tasks, showcasing a significant leap in how we can interface with complex technology. This groundbreaking achievement took place during a 3-day hackathon dedicated to autonomous driving, where teams from Cookman University impressively secured the top 3 accolades. The event, the 2026 CME Hackathon, saw 117 undergraduate students from 7 universities compete, with Cookman University's SMT team taking home the grand prize for their consistent performance and sophisticated algorithm. 2 other Cookman University teams, SKY and KUUVE, also earned top honors, highlighting the university's strength in this emerging field. This year's competition was particularly focused on an AI-native scale car autonomous driving challenge, providing students with hands-on experience in AI-driven mobility software development, with support from the Volkswagen Group WE Foundation and technology partner Telechips. Students utilized a methodology referred to as vibe coding, where natural language instructions were fed into generative AI tools like Claude Code Max 20x to produce code, which they then refined. Their challenges simulated real-world urban driving scenarios, demanding critical decision-making at bifurcating routes and object avoidance. Next up, a significant development in online security. Google is introducing a new authentication method allowing users to log into their accounts by recording a short video of themselves. This facial recognition technique offers a valuable alternative access route should users encounter issues with their primary device or standard login credentials. To enroll, individuals simply position their device's camera and follow on-screen prompts, which typically involve subtle head movements to capture various facial perspectives. If a user later has trouble accessing their account, they can record another selfie video, which Google will then compare to the initial enrollment recording for identity verification. A key challenge Google is addressing with this technology is distinguishing genuine human users from sophisticated automated systems or manipulated video content. As Google stated, multiple layers of security are employed to prevent impersonation attempts, including matching the video against a saved selfie and requiring live movements to prove it's not a static image or pre-recorded video. While this development promises to bolster account security and aid in regaining access to locked accounts, it also raises important questions regarding individual privacy and the collection of biometric data, an area increasingly under scrutiny by regulatory bodies. Shifting gears, Andrei Karpathy's concept of vibe coding is rapidly gaining traction, with 37 of U.S. developers now engaging in this methodology. Vibe coding allows artificial intelligence to generate the majority of software code from straightforward English descriptions, with users then evaluating and refining it, significantly lowering the barrier for individuals lacking traditional programming expertise. The market for AI-driven application builders is projected to reach an impressive $12.3 billion by 2027. However, it's crucial to remember that while vibe coding expedites initial development, it doesn't replace essential human skills like analytical reasoning, accurately defining problems, or understanding market dynamics. This approach is excellent for generating quick initial drafts, but human discernment, customer insights, and robust security protocols remain indispensable for transforming a prototype into a viable and secure enterprise. In essence, vibe coding simplifies the initial stages of software creation by allowing you to articulate desired outcomes in plain language, with AI generating the code, and you guiding the process through intuition rather than rigid specifications. This methodology excels in exploratory phases where speed is paramount, but challenges emerge when code interacts with systems where errors could cause harm, highlighting the need for rigorous engineering on the latter stages of development. Here's something that just came in regarding the evolution of software development security. The prevailing shift-left strategy is evolving into shifting down, according to Atlassian Chief Information Security Officer David Cross. In a recent webinar, Cross explained that security, privacy, and compliance checks should be integrated directly into AI coding agents, ensuring continuous evaluation rather than post-development gatekeeping. He emphasized that policy alone is insufficient. Infrastructure without enforcement and detection mechanisms becomes a mere inconvenience. This paradigm shift means AI coding agents will proactively initiate security, privacy, and compliance evaluations as an inherent part of the workflow, relieving developers of the burden of post-facto checks. Cross outlined 4 essential components for enhancing supply chain security maturity: a specialized threat intelligence feed, dependable repositories for artifacts, mandatory build policies, and carefully managed update schedules, warning that both human developers and AI agents will invariably seek the easiest route around obstacles. In other news, the educational technology company Amagi has successfully secured $4.5 million in initial funding, with participation from notable investors like Bright Eye Ventures, Day One Capital, and artist Will.I.Am. This investment will further fuel their mission to bridge the gap between cutting-edge AI advancements and primary and secondary school systems. A significant development for Amagi occurred last November when they revealed a collaboration with the Vibe coding resource Lovable, enabling educators to design instructional materials and offer students supervised entry to the platform for acquiring Vibe coding skills in a secure environment. This platform's development is a direct response to the growing integration of AI in educational settings, focusing on ensuring young individuals interact with this potent technology safely and responsibly, with every input and output undergoing review to eliminate inappropriate content before reaching students. This next one is worth paying attention to. HSAD is partnering with the Korea Tourism Organization to develop a tourism promotion framework tailored for the age of generative artificial intelligence AI. The initiative aims to establish a technological backbone ensuring K-festival details receive prominent placement in responses from generative AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini, moving beyond traditional search engine optimization (SEO). This agreement, dubbed Generative Engine Optimization (GEO)-based AI marketing, was created to address the swift evolution in how consumers seek information, shifting from standard portal searches to conversational interactions with generative AI. GEO is a technology designed to systematically organize and enhance information, enabling generative AI platforms to accurately understand details about specific brands or content and prioritize them in their outputs. The two organizations intend to progressively implement GEO-based AI marketing for 10 national festivals designated as global attractions, with the initial deployment for the Incheon Pentaport Music Festival. HSAD will deliver the entire process as a comprehensive, unified solution, from analyzing user queries and generating AI-optimized content to distributing it and evaluating its effectiveness, marking a significant step in expanding digital marketing into the generative AI landscape. That's your afternoon update. We'll have the full evening roundup later today.
Ad. Index backlinks pages fast https www.ultimateindexing.com. Enter social 20 for 20 discounted website checkout. Like us, comment and subscribe. Thank you.